Hello everyone, this is Ruchi from Ruchi's Cafeteria and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about some doodling and coloring. I doodled this flower cluster and colored it using these awesome Life of Color water brush pens. Life of Color is a brand who is selling art supplies and they chose me as their brand ambassador. I'm so happy to accept their friendly invitation. Thank you so much Jody for considering my name. I have used Canson mixed media paper for my coloring and I bought this paper from Walmart. I love to doodle a lot and somehow florals are my all-time favorite. Whenever I get some free time from my crafty work, I just spend that time in drawing and there are so many coloring pages I have illustrated in past. Soon going to share them. This pack comes in 20 vibrant colors with one refillable water blending brush. I must say that these brush pens are so much easier to use. They are so light and easy and the tip is perfectly shaped for coloring. They are very juicy and vibrant and blend smoothly. If you are new in watercoloring, then this set would be great for your start. I just love these pens and soon will come up with some more coloring videos with them. These are pocket friendly and can be a perfect gift for your loved ones. I have mentioned all the supplies link in the description box. You can find the Amazon link as well for buying these Life of Color brush pens. I hope you liked today's video. Give it a try and don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See ya.